Well, this morning there are some questions about exemptions in light of California becoming the first state to announce school vaccine requirements.
Yeah, local districts and families are also weighing in on the governor's new announcement. News 8's Chris Groh is live at the County Office of Education in Linda Vista with a closer look. Good morning, Chris.
Yeah, good morning. And right now, the state says that they will allow for personal, religious, and medical exemptions. But getting those exemptions may be one thing, and then where you live may be completely different. Here's how one legal analyst that we spoke with is weighing in.
The religious exemption is a little trickier, but you have to attest that it is a bona fide religious reason that is causing you to resist vaccination.
And so while the state will allow for religious, personal, and medical exemptions at the moment, San Diego Unified, a much different story. School Board President Richard Barrera told News 8 the district would allow for medical exemptions, but not personal or religious. Meanwhile, another school district, Poway Unified, says that it will comply with the state order. Now, the California state legislature could one day decide to remove any exemptions. That would likely cause that to be challenged, not only by assembly members there in the legislation, but also the court system as well too. So again, this is going to be something to keep an eye on, not just the mandates themselves, but also those exemptions. Now, how are parents feeling about potential vaccine mandates in other parts of the country? Well, a recent poll shows parents are pretty split with the idea of getting their children vaccinated. 44% of parents surveyed with kids between the ages of 5 and 11, according to Axios, say they are likely to get their children vaccinated, compared with 42% who say they will not. Now, when you get that scale up towards kids who are a little bit older, between the ages of 12 and 17, parents are much more on board with those mandatory vaccinations, with about 60% of those parents saying that they would approve of that. Eric and Stella.